Most real estate investors didn't get into real estate because they love bookkeeping, but somewhere around the second property or the first tax season, the operational reality sets in. Rent payments tracked across multiple accounts, maintenance costs that need to be split by unit, depreciation schedules for your accountant. It's headache after headache. In this video, we'll cover what to look for in accounting software built for real estate investors, and we'll spotlight one of the best options on the market, TurboTenant, to show you what good looks like. This episode is sponsored by TurboTenant, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What matters in real estate accounting software in 2026? Generic accounting tools aren't built for how rental properties work. Here's what separates purpose-built real estate accounting software from the rest. Property level reporting. You need to know how each property and unit is performing independently, from cash flow to net operating income to expense ratios. A tool that only rolls up your whole portfolio tells you less than it should. Automatic transaction syncing. Manual entry is where errors live. Good platforms connect your bank, import transactions automatically, and let you set rules for recurring categorization. Schedule E alignment. Rental income is reported on IRS Schedule E, which has specific expense categories, including mortgage interest, insurance, repairs, depreciation, professional fees, and more. Your chart of accounts should mirror those categories from day one. Otherwise, you're creating work for your CPA and missing deductions. Depreciation and asset tracking. Depreciation is one of the most powerful tax strategies available to rental investors. Your accounting software should handle asset and depreciation schedules, not leave that to a separate spreadsheet. With those criteria in mind, let's take a look at one of the best accounting platforms for real estate investors today. Spotlight on TurboTenant Accounting, purpose-built for real estate investors, owners, and landlords. TurboTenant Accounting is like QuickBooks for real estate and tends to be more affordable. It's not a general tool configured to approximate your accounting. It's designed around how landlords actually operate. A few areas where TurboTenant stands out include automatic syncing. Rent payments sync automatically into your accounting dashboard. Bank accounts connect via Plaid and Yodlee, and rent, expenses, and maintenance costs flow in without manual entry to save you from errors. Note, you don't even need to use the broader TurboTenant platform to use these accounting features, but accounting is included in the price of all other landlord tools you need, including rent collection, lease agreements, and screening. Schedule E ready from day one. The chart of accounts mirrors Schedule E expense categories out of the box. Every transaction you categorize is already mapped to how the IRS expects it to be reported. At tax time, the tax packet feature pulls together your relevant report, including Schedule E, in a format your CPA can use. Customizable categorization rules. Set rules to automatically categorize recurring transactions like insurance premiums, maintenance expenses, and mortgage payments so your books stay accurate without manual cleanup. Depreciation schedules built in. TurboTenant includes asset and depreciation tracking as part of the platform, not an add-on or a manual workaround. It's one of the most underused deductions in rental investing, built right in. 40+ real estate reports. Think data like P&L, cash flow, balance sheet, net operating income, cash on cash return, cap rate, rent roll, operating expense ratio, and more, all available across unit, property, and portfolio views. Savvy investors always know the score. With solid reporting, you know which properties are performing and which you might need to sell. Plus, the tax review feature can scan for commonly missed deductions before you hand things off. And speaking of handoffs, you can even grant your accountant direct access to your books without workarounds or extra licenses. Plus, TurboTenant Accounting will help you identify any potential missed deductions, which is a significant perk to investing in real estate, and one you don't want to miss. At the end of the day, TurboTenant Accounting is used by more than 1 million independent landlords and real estate investors. It's a strong fit for those managing residential rentals, including single family, small multifamily, and short term. Pricing starts at $199 per year for up to 10 properties. To see TurboTenant Accounting in action, check out the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!